Hey, greetings everyone. A newer feature in Act Premium Cloud is the mail merge, the way it works. So a lot of times when people talk to me about doing mail merges, I'm always a little curious as to why you do that. Now, granted, you could do mail merges and print things out, letters, form letters, things of that nature. But if you're emailing out a mail merge, there are issues with that. For example, depending on the way your email is set up and some of the restrictions of your provider, you might be limited to the number of emails you can send out. When it comes to mail merge versus Act Marketing Automation, I would always lean towards Act Marketing Automation because of the statistics and the information you get behind the scenes. You can see who's opened it, who's opted out of your emails, who is bounced. You get all that information right inside of Act. And that's really the beauty of using Act Marketing Automation. You can use and send thousands of emails at a time if you need to. But if you use mail merge, you can be limited by some of the strength of your computer and the limits that your email provider might put on the number of emails you can send out at one time when the document or the information is exactly the same. A lot of times I get caught in a spam trap. I've tested it, I've had it happen to me, and I work with the good folks over at GoDaddy. So, having said all of that, there are pros and cons to the mail merge versus the email through Act Marketing Automation. I would always lean towards Act Marketing Automation because I think it gives you more bang for your buck. Okay, my friends, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you. Bye now.